Hey everybody, Chris Gaffner, Not Too Slabby Comics, getting our YouTube channel started with an unboxing video. So, I don't know about you guys, but I like watching people open boxes of comics, and so I thought maybe I'd share some of the stuff that I get on a regular basis. So this is what I've gotten in today, the mail call for today. Several different packages. I order quite a bit of stuff, so I really have no clue what any of this is. And also, you know, with the way that postage has been lately in the post office and everything else, some of this stuff might have been sent a long time ago. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open some packages here. So first one, this one is actually from close to me, from Fort Wayne, Indiana. So check this one out. Looks like they packaged this pretty securely. It was an eBay order. Okay. This one actually I ordered not too long ago, just a couple days ago, and it's already here, which is amazing because the stuff that I've been sending lately, in some cases, it's taken 3 or 2 weeks to go 50 miles. So this is actually from Fort Wayne, which is about 4 hours from me. Took 2 days, so maybe USPS is catching up. That would be good news for us all. So here we go. Well, it's a blank comic. No, not really. They just have a backer board on both sides, it looks like here. We have Marvel Team Up 141. Bought it and listed at Very Fine Plus. It's right around there, Very Fine Plus with grade. So happy with that. Got a good deal on that. And we'll just dump all these things to the side here. I do reuse my Geminis when I can, as long as they're in good shape. So that one's pretty good. That'll go in the recycle pile to be used again. Okay, so this one here, this one is from California, Winnetka. So let's see what we got. Oh boy. So folks, this is one way you don't want to package your comics here. So some people sandwich their comics between pieces of cardboard. Well, this guy took it to another level. We got all sorts of pieces going on here, and none of them were bigger than the actual size of the book. Now that said, Savage She-Hulk #1. It appears it made it okay. I think this is a 9+. Could use a press. This is going to go in the press for me, but this is a book I've been looking for in good condition, so I like that. Got a good deal on that. Moving on. Got here, this one is from Franklin, Indiana. It's even closer to me. It's 2 hours away. You hear some scratching noises. That's my dog trying to get back in the house. He likes to bark, so I put him outside for the video. He'll be okay. He's only been out there for like 3 minutes. So, yep, I hear you. little bit better packing job on this one. Little cardboard sandwich method. So be careful with it. A very, very low grade ASM 50. Now, as many of you know, I've been working on my Amazing Spider-Man 1 through 400 run. This is a book I do not have until today. I typically don't buy books for myself in this kind of grade, but the price on this was too good to pass up. Really cheap. So this is going to be a placeholder until I can get a better copy. This one, Moonachie, New Jersey. Never heard of Moonachie. Packaging job was okay. It was good that it was in Gemini. I guess there was enough space in here to take it up. Somebody said they thought I'd have some Star Wars books, so that was probably a good bet. Well, definitely was a good bet, because I've been on a Star Wars buying kick lately. So they threw in a freebie here, the Breed #1 polybag. Never heard of it, but check it out. And a letter from Anthony. Enjoy this comic. Owner of Anthony's Comic Book Art. So what I have here, they had a whole bunch of copies of Star Wars 81. They had like 12 of them on eBay at a pretty good price. I ended up buying 3. This is the copy when Boba Fett escapes the Sarlacc pit. Hot book. Something a lot of people would like these days. These will be going for sale, so keep an eye out, future sales. Looking like condition-wise, they have listed very fine. I think they're actually, at least a couple of them are a little bit better than that. Probably closer to very fine plus, and maybe even borderline very fine near mint after a press. So probably be getting those pressed. So this one here, this is from Dartmouth, Canada, Nova Scotia. Saw NS on there and I was like, what state is NS? Well, it's from Canada, eh? So what do we have here? Little technical glitch there, had to restart the camera. Okay. Spider-Woman 1. Looks like it made it okay. It's a little bit better shape than what I thought. Not a high grade book, but still a cool book. 2 more packages to go. What do we got here? We have this. It is from Annie's Attic, Westchester, Pennsylvania. Packaging could be a little bit better. These are well protected at least. It looks like they threw them into some Mylar envelopes. Oh, okay. they'd put up, this was an eBay purchase, they'd put up several issues of Star Wars. But the cool part about this was it was a lot. So surprisingly, one of the issues, this is First Lando, that's a good one, but surprisingly one of the issues was this. And I really couldn't see the condition on it, so I kind of took a chance at this because they just had one photo. This is pretty good shape. First Boba Fett. They got it listed fine, very fine. Unless there's something else wrong with it on the back, I think this is a lot nicer than that. This is, I think once I press this, this is going to be a 9+. It's got a little bit of a corner bend. I think most of that will press out. Maybe an 8.5, but really good pickup on this one. Other Star Wars issues. These are all pretty good shape. Really super happy with that purchase. That came through. And honestly, I picked up, if you haven't noticed, I picked up several of these Star Wars 42s. I've always loved the book. It's been super hot. I wanted to pick it up before it got astronomical. So I just sold one yesterday that I had slabbed, or that I bought slabbed. I think I have 5 other ones right now. So sending probably 3 or 4 of them to CGC. Oh, I didn't check to see where this one was from. This one, Michigan, my home state. Originally from Michigan, Lansing area. It's fairly well protected here. Once again, no clue. Absolutely, I haven't known a single one of these what they're going to be yet. My wife, who is filming me right now, is probably laughing or crying in her mind as she knows that I get a ton of packages. And there's the dog, who I let in. I'm going to let back out. Like I was saying, don't know what this is. Kind of curious. Always exciting to open these up. It's because I don't know what they are. Ah, okay. Yeah. These are some books from Mike Rowland. Mike's a Not Too Slabby member. These got here quick, Mike. Thank you. So, picked up some Amazing Spider-Man books from Mike. Amazing Spider-Man 365 newsstand. Looking to upgrade on this, and this is definitely an upgrade. Also, 158. It's a really nice shape. And a copy of 345, second Cletus Kasady. So that'll do it for the unboxing. A lot of cool books in there. Hopefully you had fun watching me open them up, and maybe some of you wind up with them someday, because most of them will be for sale. But if you could, I'm going to do regular videos here on the YouTube channel, so subscribe to the channel. You'll get preview information on what's going to be coming up for sale. So if you want to try to nab something before it ends up in a claim sale or something like that, you can always do that this way. And we'll be doing some promotions and giveaways, me and Jesse, and Jesse's actually doing a giveaway tonight, January 2nd, our first giveaway of 2021. He's got a nice Peach Momoko of a Null that he's putting out for people who like the Instagram page. So we now have a page on Instagram, we have one on Facebook, and now we have a YouTube channel. So trying to grow the business a bit and trying to interact a little bit more with our customers and our friends. So thank you for joining, and I'll talk to you again soon. Take care.